Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an amazing opportunity brought to us by Nodeops. And just because of this, we already know it is amazing, since Nodeops is the most reputable node operator that exists at the moment. What if it was possible to help Nodeops with the compute power needed to deploy the huge amount of nodes supported by them? And, on top of this, what if you could also be able to deploy your nodes at a fraction of the price that the normal node operators charge at the moment? And doing all of this using an authentication and verification system that you can also participate by staking node tokens or Ethereum. Now all of this is going to be possible. Nodeops is creating a network to help them deploy and operate nodes that is called Atlas Network. Atlas Network promises to revolutionize the way node networks are deployed and managed. This will be the first unified marketplace of its kind. Atlas Network brings together compute providers, restaking platforms, and node operators, creating a seamless and efficient environment for decentralized infrastructure. This innovative platform tackles key challenges like decentralization, security, and usability, ensuring that the protocols save time, resources, and cost, while achieving a robust network performance. In this video, I will explain how Atlas Network orchestrates decentralized node deployment and why it's a game changer for industries like gaming, AI, and DePIN. Also, in the end of this video, I will show you how can you access the testnet and participate in quests to earn points that can be converted to future airdrops. So, what are then the core concepts of the Atlas Network? Atlas Network is aiming to build a reliable network for node deployments. For this, it's essential to address some foundational questions. How do providers get on board? What role do risk-taking operators play? How are nodes matched to infrastructure? And most importantly, how are all the participants incentivized to contribute honestly and reliably? Atlas Network unites four key participants. Compute providers offer the hardware infrastructure, risk-taking operators provide economical security, node operators manage deployments through the Atlas console, and the Node Watch network monitors activity to ensure reliability. Together, they form an ecosystem where every task is carefully orchestrated to keep the network secure, decentralized, and efficient. The Atlas Network process begins with onboarding. Providers, node operators, and risk-taking platforms are seamlessly integrated into the network. The onboarding journey is designed to be intuitive and efficient, enabling participants to get started with minimal friction. When it's time to deploy nodes, Atlas Network uses a sophisticated scheduling system. The schedule evaluates resource availability, including CPU, memory, and storage, to find the optimal compute for each deployment. Once a match is found, the deployment process begins, ensuring that nodes are launched on infrastructure that meets the protocol's requirements. Monitoring plays a critical role in maintaining the network reliability. Each compute resource is continually assessed for performance metrics like uptime, CPU usage, and hardware configuration. This ensures that any issues are identified on time and addressed promptly. To encourage honest participation, Atlas Network implements a dual incentive system. Rewards are distributed in USDC and node tokens to providers who fulfill their role diligently. On the other hand, penalties are also enforced for any malicious activity. This creates a balanced and sustainable economical model. One place you can participate on this project is by being a provider. Providers form the backbone of the Atlas Network. They contribute to compute infrastructure necessary for running the nodes. To become a provider, one must meet certain technical requirements, including a minimum of 2 virtual CPUs, 4 GB of memory, storage capacity of 8 GB or more, and maintain at least 99% of uptime annually to remain eligible for node deployment. Each machine added to the network is measured in compute units, a standardized metric that determines its capacity. The more compute units a provider contributes, the greater their earning potential. Providers always stake node tokens as collateral, ensuring their commitment to the network. Machine uptime is a crucial metric in Atlas Network. Machines with higher uptime are prioritized for node deployments, incentivizing providers to maintain optimal performance. Providers can monitor and manage their machines through Provider Dashboard, where they can track rewards, uptime, and other critical data. Another advantage that we can take from the Atlas network is by deploying node operators. Node operators use the Atlas console to manage their deployments. The console provides a user-friendly interface for deployment, monitoring, and maintaining nodes. Operators can choose between several deployment options, including auto-assign, profile preferences, or manual selecting a provided machine. This system allows for the node operator subscriptions to cost only a fraction of the normal price. Once deployed, nodes will appear under the operator's portfolio in the console. Operators can view technical details, renew subscriptions, and even reschedule nodes to different machines if necessary. The console simplifies what can often be a complex process, making Atlas Network an accessible solution for operators of all experience levels. And to finalize, we can also participate in risk-taking operations. Risk-taking operators bring additional economical security to Atlas Network. By leveraging platforms like Agent Layer and Babylon, those operators extend the trust of major blockchains like Ethereum and Solana to off-chain applications. They play a vital role in verifying payments, calculating rewards, and ensuring node scoring integrity. Through their participation, the network gains a robust layer of crypto-economical security. Onboarding as a risk-taking operator is straightforward, involving a few key steps to register and begin supporting the network. We will be able to stake Ethereum and Node tokens to help with the network security, while also getting reward alongside other participants. To summarize how the entire life cycle of Atlas Network is processed. The deployment lifecycle is a multi-step process. It begins with a payment initiated when the node operator selects their desired node and a subscription plan. After the payment is processed and verified by the network, the scheduler selects the best available machine for deployment. This process is designed to be transparent, secure, and efficient, ensuring that every deployment aligns with the protocol's need. Once the deployment is live, participants begin earning rewards. Compute providers receive incentives for their active contribution. Node operators benefit from successfully running nodes at a super competitive prices. And risk-taking operators are compensated for executing crucial verification tests. This life cycle repeats with every new deployment, reinforcing the ecosystem reliability and incentivizing continued participation. Atlas Network is way more than just a marketplace. It's where diverse participants unite to achieve a shared goal: decentralized, secure, and efficient node deployments. Whether you are a compute provider, a risk-taking operator, or a node operator, Atlas Network offers tools and incentives to make your participation worthwhile. By addressing key challenges in node deployment, Atlas Network is paving the way for a decentralized network across various industries. Join Atlas Network and help shape the future of this infrastructure. The testnet is already working, and if you follow the link in the description, you will be forwarded to the page where you can register to experiment firsthand the platform. There are some quests that can be already made, and this will allow you to gather node points that will be converted to a future airdrop. Talking about an airdrop, Nodeops at the moment is running an airdrop event. If you ever interact with the Nodeops platform, you will be entitled to the Node token airdrop. Follow the link in the description where it says airdrop link and see if you are eligible. I have some lost computers in the house and I will be making a tutorial video explaining how to participate on providing compute power to the Atlas network, deploying nodes, and risk-taking activity. Be on the lookout for that video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you again very soon in my next video.